What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. I'm going to give you an update on Rich Uncles and their BRIX rate. So they sent me an email basically telling me what's going on with their rate and what's going on with the issues out there. So this is what they said. Dear BRIX rate investors, BRIX rate marked its 2-year anniversary in April and is scheduled to receive its first moral independent valuation to establish a net asset value per share no later than April 30th, 2020. Under normal circumstances, these milestones would be a welcome celebration. However, given the unprecedented circumstances surrounding a bug, which I can't say on there, and the unfortunate timing of events, we have a reason to believe the BRIX rate could be negatively impacted in the following ways. Temporary closure of universities, gyms, and eating establishments over the past 2 weeks has directly negatively impacted assets in the BRIX rate, as we own several student housing investments, a 24-hour fitness, and a Starbucks. These three asset types are the hardest hit in all the real estate sectors. Our tenants pay rate for the first 2 weeks of April, and there's a high probability that our ability to collect rent will be impacted by the current crisis. We are actively working on our tenants and leaders to ensure that we protect our investments. Any potential loss of rent impacts the NAV per share and the ability to pay distributions. Given these facts, the board of directors of the BRIX rate have decided to suspend all capital activity with the BRIX rate till such time that a further assessment of impact of the pandemic, can be made. I caught myself there. Effective immediately, BRIX rate will suspend the primary offering and all new share purchase requests, suspend the share repurchase program, and defer indefinitely all pending repurchase requests, delay distribution declarations until such time that we can properly measure the economic impact of the blank and have the portfolio's financial profile. Depending on the length and the depth of the crisis, the potential negative impact of the pandemic of the U.S. economy may be temporary. However, the BRIX rate's particular assets could experience long-term and possibly permanent loss in value. We anticipate being able to complete our economic assessment and determination of the NAV per share during the latter half of April, and we will promptly notify all BRIX rated investors as soon as we have more information. Bill Brahms. So this is the thing about having a diverse portfolio. Now, this is a private rate. This is the first time that Rich Uncles was really challenged economically and had a hardship. This is also the same for Fundrise. So the nice thing about Rich Uncles as well as Fundrise is they are very honest with what's going on. They tell you what's going on, and they give you a update on their status and how things will be going and what will be going on further. So I think that's very professional. I think that is very honest, and this is why I became an investor with Rich Uncles. So I'm going to post, I think they gave me a dividend. Where's my activity? So 37.50. So it's going up. So this is the good thing. Look at the compound interest kicking in. Now I threw in some money on June 21st, 2019, but I pulled back in 2020. So I'm reinvesting all my dividends each month, and the compound interest is kicking in. So I started off with, okay, I threw money in. Yeah, I know. Let's just say $36, and it's slowly going up each month. Now this could pay for my electric bill as well as gas bill if I really wanted to. So I'm going to let the dividends reinvest. I'm going to stick around for about 10 or 15 years. My goal is to make $1,000 to $3,000 in my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month in quarterly dividends. Realistic, not too aggressive. I'm not going to retire on dividends. I'm going to work an active job as well as have an extra source of income. Now, in the long run, I probably will have to pay taxes on this, but once I get to my mark, I'm going to try 3,000 for monthly dividends. So these guys might be able to help me. I have a lot of REITs. I have realty income. I just invested in LTC and my M1 finance. I have might even invest in some junk bonds just to get me to 3,000. I know it's not looked at, but that's passive income to begin with. So this is going up. Realty income is going up. EPR properties will be back on the swing of things. Stag will be back. Gain good. The rates are ready to start rolling. My funds are going to start rolling. So this is why I believe that you should have multiple portfolios and multiple sources of income, because if these guys take it, my rates took a beating. Okay, realty income, these guys, Fundrise, who knows what'll happen with those guys. So everybody took a huge hit. Okay, this is just one sector. So this is why you have to have multiple sectors in investing in stocks. So I'm just going to just let you know, to educate you guys. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, because look at this. This took a hit. Might take maybe a few years to recover. Money will still make money, but it's going to take some time. They'll start, people will start investing in rich uncles again, and they'll start buying more buildings and stuff, and then this will happen. I'm just telling you, this is an anticipation. I'm not a financial advisor, but things seem very promising. So this is what I like to see with these guys, and I have a lot of confidence in these guys that they will get things better. I think they have a very diverse portfolio and strategy compared to everyone else. If they ever go public, wow, that would be amazing, but you never know. So this is the nice thing about these guys. I'm in these guys early. Let's see, I'm making around, monthly dividends. I'm right around 50 in my monthly dividends on my E-Trade portfolio. I think 80, maybe about $80 or $90 monthly dividends, but I'm not stopping. I have a goal that I want to make. I have a goal that I want to be at. I have, I might invest in some ETFs that give off nice monthly dividends that have potential to grow. So I'm not going to stop. I'm going to keep on going. I'm going to let my dividends reinvest, and I'm going to go from there. So thank you again for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you don't miss future videos. And make sure you give me a like so that more people can see this video and understand that you have to have multiple sources of income, and that you should not have all your eggs in one basket. I don't want people to make the same mistake that many people have in the past, and I don't want people to panic sell. So thank you so much. You guys have been amazing on this channel. It's just growing. I'm here to empower you guys and show you guys some hot stocks out there and what I do to generate passive income. So you guys have a good week, and make sure you wash your hands. Don't put your hands in your face. Make sure you stay away from people that are elderly and immunocompromised. We don't want them getting the bug, because you saw what the bug did to this portfolio, and I don't want this to happen to your portfolio, because if someone in a business gets sick, boom, it's a chain reaction. So that can even affect the stock market. So your actions by washing your hands, social distancing, and staying healthy, and making sure that people aren't getting sick, that's important. So that's my message to you guys. Our effort is investors. Not only are we actively buying things and making passive income, but our actions by washing our hands and by following the guidelines of the CDC and social distancing, will help generate the economy and get things going. We are dividend warriors for a reason out there. So just think about that. Just think about one action that you're doing, washing your hands, make sure everything's sanitary and all that. Your impact is helping everyone out. Thank you.